Hi everyone, I am Punya Agarwal, ACCA affiliate, co-founder of Being ACCA. In this video, we'll be discussing about some of the strategies that all the students who are appearing for the exams in the reserve week, which is the next week, are facing. So now, due to some technical issues or some other issues, you might have to give your exams in the reserve week that ACCA has for December 2024 attempt, which is the next week, and you might be a little disheartened or maybe a little demotivated, like, oh my god, it's a week extra now, we need to study for that as well, for one more week, our exams are postponed. Or some students might be actually happy that this is a bonus for us, and you get to have a few more extra days to prepare. Now, how to utilize these days for the best of your capacity is, firstly, revision is necessary. I know one more thing I want to tell you, that by now you would know that how the paper appeared for the December attempt. You would know the topics where that came, you would know that the level, what kind of level was it, and what types of topics, what there in the morning session, in the afternoon session, in the evening session, all of this, and you would have your analysis of the paper for sure. But I will tell you that the paper will not be the same. Of course you would know that, but there might be students who were thinking that, okay, there can be situations wherein one or two questions are same, but it's not that. The questions will be entirely different, and in some papers the level also can be little up, little down, depending upon them. So do not take, of course you can take the base from the papers, the questions that have arisen, but do not be just focus upon those questions and just be after those questions, because of course if that has happened, maybe that question does not come in your next, in the reserve week question paper, right? So please do not be too after these questions which has appeared and asking your friends what type questions were there and all of those things. Rather, invest your time in preparing, in revising the concepts. Some of the concepts which you were not very confident, maybe this is the time that you actually build up on that. Watch videos on YouTube to understand them better, perform questions. If not, if you have not done mocks, do that. So this week is actually, consider it as a bonus week, right? Even if you are right now thinking, I'm really tired, I'm drained because I was preparing for 3 months and now one more week. But it's just that, treat this as a bonus week and treat this to your advantage. Maybe right now you were not very well prepared, but now you can prepare. You have 3 to 4 days extra, so you can prepare now better, right? So just go on with the revision. Do not be too outlooky and too seeing all of the environment around and the questions and everything, opinions, everything around. Focus upon your practice, focus upon the questions, pick up the important questions that your tutor, your mentor has told you to do, and I think then you'll be good to go. Now, again, if the technical issue was from your side in remote based exam due to any reason, please make sure that that does not happen, because now if something happens, you do not have any extra reserve week that will be shifted to your March attempt, or maybe some other technical issue happens due to which you won't be able to give your exam at all, right? So make sure that the technical issue does not arise in your remote based exam. And just revise, build up your confidence. It's just 3 to 4 days extra, and then you'll be good to go. You'll be free for your December attempt. So all the very best, and do let us know if you have any questions, any doubts in mind regarding this.